In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into Canva. So we're just going to start by creating a new design, and then we can go and select any of the templates from this list. Now, in order to actually embed your YouTube video into this Canva design, we first need to head over to a new internet tab, and then we're just going to launch up the YouTube website. And what you need to do is locate the YouTube video that you want to embed. So let's say, for example, I wanted to embed this video here. We're simply going to click on that video, and what we need to do is come over to the address bar at the top here and just copy all of this address. Now we can head back over to our Canva design, and all we need to do is click somewhere on the document and press Ctrl V to paste. And this should automatically go and embed your YouTube video. Now, some videos you won't be able to embed, as you'll get this message here saying playback on other websites has been disabled by the video owner. Now, if you get this message here, there's nothing really you can do about this, as it's all down to the settings in your YouTube channel. But let's say, for example, I go and paste another video instead. Then you can see here, this is the YouTube video that we've now pasted in, and we can go and resize this and reposition this on the screen. Now, if for some reason this method does not work for you, then what you can do instead is come down to apps from the left hand side and click on this, and in the search box just search for YouTube and hit enter. Click on the YouTube app, click on open, and now we need to go and search for the video that we want to add. So let's say, for example, this is the video that we want to add. I can just go and drag that into my design, and once again you can go in, reposition this, you can go and resize this, and we also have the toolbar at the top here, and this allows you to customize certain things. So you can display this either as an embedded video like this, or you can display it as a link. It's entirely up to you, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.